Hello friends, myself Saurabh Sharma. Again, I'm with you to representing my Java zone. This is my website where you can find all Java stuff. And now today I'm gonna start with the Java framework, that is a Spring. So you can go to my website. This is http://javazone.texturezone.com. Then you need to go Java frameworks and click on the Spring. I am continuously updating recent upload and recent PPT regarding the Spring framework. So my current PPT is Spring in practice. So in which in a Spring framework I have covered in this PPT. This is session 1 overview, design, architecture and DI and IOC. So let's move to the next slide. So what is Spring and who has been introduced this to the techie world? So this is created by Rod Johnson in 2003. It is an open source framework. Spring is a lightweight dependency injection and aspect oriented container and framework. This is a basic architecture of framework. Spring framework is containing, basically I want to clear the one of the most important thing about the Spring framework. This not belongs and tightly coupled with web applications. It is open for the all application, whether the application is related to batch processes, whether the application is a standalone, whether the application is gonna be multi-platforms and all, like mobile technologies and platform independence. Also it is not bounded with Java, so you can include some .NET stuff as well, and you can work with the Android, you can work with the Xamarin. So all of this stuff you can put along with the Spring framework. So, and all the modules are not tightly coupled, so everything is independent to use for Spring framework capabilities. Here it divided in 4 categories. First is first it is core container. You can see here is a core container which is containing beans and core IOC injections, context, bean context, and Spring EL, Spring expression language, which is responsible to bind the data with the models and control over the data flow. Above that we have AOP, that is aspect oriented programming, and we can also include the aspect J. So Spring is providing you open handshake with the aspects J. We have instrumentations, messaging. We have here define the web module. So we have web service, web socket, servlets, portlets and web. In the parallel to that web module, we have data access integration layer, which is containing JDBC. Spring has own ORM framework as well, or there in Spring it is providing you open hand implementation of any ORM framework like JPA, and most famous is Hibernate, any version of Hibernate, OXM and JMS. It is also having the own transaction management apart from any ORM. So through the Spring transaction you can maintain as well, and it is also providing you the testability. So it is a robust framework for the development, and it is also following the rapid development environment. Let's move to the next slide. In this Spring 4 I have covered the latest releases and what are the changes have been made. So currently Spring is having 4.2 is the latest version, and they have enhanced event listener, Hibernate, ZT and modern Java component design with the Spring framework. Now let's come to the Spring 4 series release. It has deprecated method and packages. So hope you are aware about the Bean factory and application context, XML application context. So it has been